Hi guys, so today Maria and I are going to the beach. So that lighting is awful. Decided we wanted to film it. So I'm here, we're about to pick her up.
I'm here videotaping me for a vlog. We're here.
We're walking. Look at, we see the beach! Oh my gosh, we walked like a mile, I swear.
Don't push up, people. It looks like a grasshopper. It's a squats.
Oh, there's a bird.
Yeah, there's a bird. That's how it looks. It's nice, right? Update, we're stranded at the beach. My mom left like half an hour ago. She said, I'll be right back. Just gonna go get the last bag. There's my brother doing some weird stuff he always does. Yeah.
He kind of needs help.
Oh.
I can't. I'm too weak.
Yeah. That's a mood. Anyways. Yeah, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
Look at how long her hair is. Oh. Ring around the rosy, pockets full of posy, ashes, ashes, they all fall down.
Can't just fall
And our umbrella freaking fell. Oh shit. I was in the middle of putting on sunscreen. So we're noobs. That's what happened. They get deeper in this. Hi, sorry I look stupid, but we just went out on the beach. It was nice. Now we're tanning. I'm gonna fall asleep probably, so just wanted to update you guys. Maria's sleeping. Oh my. So we're eating. Can you see her? I don't know. I can't fucking see shit. We got chicken fingers and fries. We're about to leave, but just wanted to look at one last view. The tide got low again. That's a child, and that's an ugly pimply bitch. We left food, and the seagull ate it. Look at it. We were having it up there. Oh my god, it's back. It's back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. Mom. Oh shoot. Wait. Oh my god. The seagull's back. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's two of them. Shoot! Oh. Shoot! We're chaotic.
He sees the window. He sees the window. He knows you can get in by a window.
Tino. We're ending the vlog here. We are, well, at least me, I'm burnt as frick. Like my face. We tan good though. Right? Yeah, we're good. Thank you for watching. Okay. Bye guys.